An ultrasonic scaler consists of a wand with a small scaling tip that produces a soft vibration with a gentle flow of water. It is effective in removing heavy, moderate, or light buildup above and below the gum line. The tip is moved slowly along the tooth surface and gum line. The vibration of the instrument breaks up the plaque and tartar that sticks to the teeth, resulting in a more thorough cleaning. In cases of moderate to heavy buildup, the ultrasonic scaler may be followed by a regular hand scaling instrument for fine scaling of any remaining tartar.